This phase is every bit as important as the last and is yet another testament to the tradition of craftsmanship of the master mezcalero. The building of the horno, or earth oven, is a very unique and fundamental part of making mezcal. This underground cooking of the piñas lasts 3 to 15 days and gives mezcal its distinguished smoky flavor. First comes the wood. Once they have carefully constructed a basin of wood, they add a layer of stones on which the piñas will roast. If the piñas were placed directly onto open flames, they would burn and desired flavors would be lost. Once the horno was lit, the fire is left to burn openly for several hours, and once there are no more flames, the piñas can be placed onto the stones. Before they actually load the horno, some mezcaleros perform a limpieza. This is essentially a spiritual clearing of the energy. They use the branches of the wood in the fire to clean away any bad vibes on the magueyes, then they throw chilies on the flame to ensure good vibes throughout the cook. The heated stones are covered with bagasso, the leftover agave from the previous batch. Some mezcaleros may choose to cover the horno quickly to trap as much of the smoke as possible. Other mezcaleros may wait longer because they seek a cleaner flavor. The horno is then sealed with tarp, dirt, and logs to prevent any heat from escaping. Another variation to the process is to add water to help clear out excess smoke. It's also common to top the horno with a cross in reverence to God and to bless the batch. The piñas will remain in the earth for 3 to 15 days while the agave's carbohydrates turn into sugars that will then ferment into alcohol and be distilled into mezcal. Once cooked, the roasted piñas are dug up from the earth and transferred